Welcome to the instructions video for the Make Visas by Outsourcing calculator. This tool helps you decide whether manufacturing a product in-house or outsourcing to an external supplier is more cost-effective for your business. It analyzes all the hidden and direct costs to give you a clear financial comparison. Let's walk through the calculator inputs. First, enter your in-house production costs, including material costs, direct labor expenses, and overhead costs. Then input your outsourcing quote along with associated costs like shipping, quality inspection, and management overhead. For example, enter $50,000 for in-house materials, $30,000 for labor, and $20,000 for overhead. For outsourcing, enter $85,000 as the supplier quote plus $5,000 for logistics. The calculator will compare both scenarios and show you which option offers better total cost of ownership, factoring in elements like quality control costs and risk factors that are easy to overlook. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.